I'm my wife, guys. I love her. Here, 94 cents. Put my hair out. I washed my hair yesterday and well Saturday. No, yeah, Saturday. And decided to give it some juice because I'm familiar with lemon 62 cents. I'm not getting a lot of stuff. Usually I come in here, I'll go food shopping because I really don't need much stuff. Because next week and then next month I'm going on a diet. It's my birthday month and I'm not eating no bread. I think I said it in so many vlogs already, but that's how serious I am. I'm not eating no bread. No, I don't want no bread. I'm not eating no white rice. But I am gonna. Oh, they don't have green banana. 61 cents. They have no red banana. I think it's supposed to be red banana, but in green. Right? They usually have red banana right here. But that look just green. Look. See, look. Right here. Turn. So I'm gonna get one of them here. I was on banana. What I just found? Lasagna. I'm not gonna eat lasagna, you know? They have the small one. Something. The big one. 10.48. This is no meat though. This is one rice. I don't know. This one is big though. It's heavy. So I'm going to try it. So nice black car. I don't know what type of car that was. Hey guys, it's 4:20. I am off from work today because my job doing some renovation, and she asked me if I wanted to work somewhere else, and I was like, no, I'll take this time off and get some stuff done. I know I'm just gonna take the time to stay with my son because I thought Kimani had the whole week off too, but he didn't. He only had a Friday and Monday off. So I did spend some time with him over the weekend. I came back yesterday. It's the weather for me. The weather is given. My hair is given too. Y'all see that? Natural ear girl come true. Yeah, outside nice. I'm actually a little hot. I feel a little bit hot, but I can't come outside without a jacket. I'm not gonna do that again. Nope. I'm not falling for that trick again. It's not fully summertime yet, so with this weather it's very confusing. So I have to come outside with jackets. So like I was saying, my hair is growing. And you can see me still have look of something from Jamaica. Like my tan is like, yo. Anyways, so I actually didn't eat nothing yet. It's like, I think it's about to be 3 o'clock and I didn't eat nothing for the whole day. So I'm gonna go to Wendy's and try to, I'm probably like, I think I'm like 2 months late, but whatever. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna do things when everybody do it. I do it on my own time. Yeah, I'm gonna try the hot honey chicken sandwich. I feel for something good today. I'm gonna treat myself some fast food. If I change my mind, I could do the Burger King is across the street. I don't want to try the vegan burger they have there. See how it is. And I heard the fries is vegan too. I hear the burger and the fries is vegan, so I want to try it. I don't know which one to do. McDonald's or Burger King. Burger King or Wendy's. I don't know which one. But I don't know. I know you cook some fish. I want some fish. I still didn't buy fish. Cause I don't want to clean it, yo. Can't water. But I'm gonna get some fish. I'm gonna make some curry fish. I don't think I ever made curry fish. I make curry salmon. But I never make curry fish. And I'm gonna try that. See how it tastes. It's gonna taste good, of course. It's curry. But I just want to try It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I love this. Me, love this. I just wish my mama was here. So yeah, I'm gonna eat some food. I'm gonna eat over there, make sure go out. I'm gonna eat when these are. I cannot decide which one I want. I should get Burger King because I love their fries. My noodles. And some stuff right in front of where I'm going. So see y'all later. Oh, slushy. I don't know what to eat. So I passed Popeyes already, so I really not in the mood for Popeyes anyway. They got glazed donut. Too sweet. I don't like McDonald's no more. I've been off McDonald's. Is it the Wendy's or Burger King? Well, this is Denny's right here. Checkers. Man. The sun is out. I had to come outside. Whew. Sun is good. This look good. I don't want that. I want Burger King because I love. What the hell? When the hell they close this Burger King? Yo. I am mad. They closed the damn Burger King. What the hell? Now I'm gonna have to force to get Wendy's. I wanted some Burger King fries. Let's have Checkers. I cannot believe they closed the Burger King. I'm tight. I don't know what to do. I ain't been over here in a minute, so I didn't know they closed it. But I'm pissed. Because I was paying for these fries. I ain't gonna lie. Not gonna lie, but you want some fries. Look at it. Board up and everything. That's crazy. Oh man. Oh, I'm gonna go to Wendy's. Wendy's right there. You get this for $5. Oh, I think I'm just gonna get the 4 for $4. Because I don't know what else to get. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. Pineapple mango. And this is the hot honey spicy chicken sandwich. It smells. That's how it is. Smell like. I can't tell the taste right now. It tastes like jalapeno, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm gonna just eat it with this. Gotta give you the full taste test. I have to eat everything. Hopefully it tastes good because it's my first time trying this. First time trying this thing. Yeah, it tastes good. Spicy. That's good. I like it. I will use it again. It's good. I should put more fries on the salt. No salt on the fries. Later, probably have a smoothie or something. Taste the honey. That one makes it so good with the bacon. It's really good. Last bite. Get the best bite. That chicken sandwich is good. Not like that satisfy my needs. So it's 4 o'clock, well 4:10 now. I'm not gonna be eating until the next 4 hours. Oh, I need to cross because these people are not gonna stop unless I try to make an attempt to cross. They ain't gonna stop. They're not gonna stop. You eat cross like this going on our life. You're like jaywalking. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, I'm gonna get some chicken and got me yard. Cause me I feel the coldness right now. Oh, that's nice. I want to look a 4-wheeler car. Not a 4-wheeler, but a 3-wheeler. Little belly, little food baby. Barely. Cause I'll be drinking that pineapple juice. Pineapple juice. Let me tell you some little secret tips. To make the belly shrink. Green tea, ginger tea, lemon tea, pineapple juice, cranberry juice. What else? Water, of course. But me feel say like pineapple, blueberry, ginger, lemon, green tea. That really helps the stomach. Well, I don't know about one, but it helped me. And then we go, like you can see change in your stomach. You feel the change in your stomach when you lay down. You feel the change in your stomach when you walk. You feel the change in your stomach when you sit down, because when you sit down, your stomach now. When you remember that song there? My girl talking in your belly. From you know, your belly no bong. It's not so like yeah, from my belly bong. Look a bit. Somebody really come out and make a song like that. Seem bright. But I want bad song same way, but still in bright. And if you can make the song like disrespectful. It's a bit full. Yo. You know if you know no? If you don't want to walk go, I can walk go if you want to, no? But do I want to? That's a question, because I am a little sleepy. I'm ready to go on the bus. You know, I'm not going to take a bus because I'll come up a bus and go walk again. Anyways, the sun feels so nice. Oh gosh. Listen, I know I said I'm gonna try to post on time, but that not gonna work, because the month of video I have back up because you know me got Jamaica, and you know me post when I'm down there because I was on vacation. So I'm gonna come back and then I'm walking there something like walking the people there. Sure. Yeah, so me have videos to edit. And I'm coming in late, so oh well. At least as long as I still post them, that's all that matters. As long as I post them. Whether later or not. Because and I'm alone do that. I see enough YouTubers do that. When they post videos and they have a date funny. Like you see, I'm alone do it. And I'm alone do it. So I just cause me ain't like you feel me I do that, but I not say cause them do we can do it, but and I'm alone do it. So I'm not gonna get the videos, don't get the videos, yeah, people. Thank you guys for supporting me though. I'll leave at 5 on now. Just appreciate it, not lie. Like I'll leave at just 5. Or most of them more than 5 because subscribers them. But people actually watch a video and like them. Me rate on them. Big up on yourself, not lie. Me rate on the bad. What? I'm not going across the street. They want walk because people didn't walk. It's a beautiful day. And I'm missing my mama even more. The weather I get nice and I'm missing her like crazy. Like this on your salad make you want to eat salads, okay? This bad. I'm gonna chicken come out there. I want else. I'm just want chicken. 2 bags of chicken. I'm come here for. Oh yeah, great black beans. Don't even know that. My sister's gonna come out with black beans. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is Saturday, April 23rd. So I'm about to go outside. Outside nice, so I can't stay inside. Yesterday was a rough day for me. I was very emotional, but today I'm like I need to go outside and get some fresh air. So I'm gonna go outside and enjoy the weather because it is nice outside. And yesterday was nice too, but like I said, I wasn't in the mood to go outside. I wanted to so bad, but like my mood would not let me go outside. So today is a different day, and I just want to go outside and enjoy the weather. But check me out. These shades is everything. I love these shades from Shein. How I look. Cute. I can't see my fit though. Listen, I'm just now I just wear jeans. I'm just and get these steps too. Listen, my landlord is not playing. So I had this. He just fixing up the house. I guess he was just waiting for that girl to leave, cause ever since that girl left, he was just fixing up the place. He is not playing. The man paint over the whole house. No, I come outside the wall, I see him paint the steps. And you know, wait for the girl to leave, because the girl is a troublemaker, no lie. Like, if I remember one day when I posted something on Instagram, like it was a Sunday, because ever since I come in this house, this girl keep trying me. This Haitian girl keep trying me. So I had posted something on Instagram last year. I think it was in September. And this girl just kept trying me. So I'm like, yo, bitch, you don't got shit to lose. I got something to lose. And that's why she keep trying me, because she just want me to do something so bad. But the whole time, the landlord was trying to get her out. She was supposed to been out before COVID hit. And she wasn't even in there paying rent. I start trouble with people. Troublemaker. Like, yeah, she not trying me. I try to make trouble with me. And she thinks that me not go cuss her ass out. But me say, hello girl. I wrong somebody I talk to. I don't care if you're here, I'm not afraid of you. Tell her straight up. Like, I don't know who you think you be. Like, but anyway, she been out for like 2 weeks now. And this man is so stress free. I'd ask this man for a mask. They won't give me the white one. I don't like that one, but I'll take what I get. Hi, can I have a mask, please? Thank you. Like, oh my god, I left my AirPods. Yo, my ear to make up on the train. I'm not no AirPods now. Cause me not like, we don't like people. So me just tune into my AirPods and me just tune everybody else. But Jesus, me leave my headphones. How long for the train? So last they gave me this now. Shit is big as hell. It's not fitting. It's not fitting. Moving very fast, but when I'm going to work, this shit wanna move slow as hell. That's crazy. It's moving fast. This is New York City on the Saturday. It's a yellow cab for me. I love my city. Did I tell you I love my city? I love my city. This is so cool. How people just be out here sitting down and chilling. This is what NYC is about. Y'all need to visit New York if y'all haven't yet. Y'all is missing out. It's the best city, period. I don't care nobody say. Not like I'm gonna say any other cities are a better city. I've been here all my life. I remember this place. I remember this area. Oh man. I mean, why am I doing this to myself? It's a good thing I have my glasses on. I'm getting teary-eyed. I'm getting, you know. She said freestyle. But nah, this is. Yeah, I passed this. If y'all see this building right here, that building right there, that brown building, y'all see this in one of my vlogs. It's actually the Mother's Day vlog with my mommy. So I'm actually going down that way. I'm going to Pier 57 because I saw it on Instagram. I'm like, ooh. Chilling, eating ice cream. I want ice cream. Oh, let me show y'all. Move it along. Alright, that's enough. It's too noisy for me. I get the picture. See people just chilling. I'm sorry. She like, look at this girl. She's not paying attention. I'm sorry. That's my fault though, so I'm not gonna be here. Out here because I had to I was going to Pier 57 and it was another spot I wanted to go to, but it looked like it's the same area. But I'm about to find the right city bike because it's free free for new users. So look at that. Hold on, let me scan this code. I have to scan this code to unlock. So hold on. Yo, this is my first time riding a city bike and I am nervous. I don't know. I don't remember how to ride a bike. I told y'all that. But I think I got this. Girl, I'm so scared. Should I take my bag off? Yeah, I'm putting my bag right here. My bag right here on the handle. This car's coming because I'm so freaking nervous. Like, why am I? Bro, I don't trust cars. I gotta wait. Hold on. I need to go if y'all going because I'm about to ride next to y'all. I'm nervous, guys. I don't know how to ride a bike. I mean, I know how to ride a bike, but it's been a while. So I'm so nervous. I can sit on the. Oh, can I fit on this thing? It's so high. Why are you looking at me like maybe somebody ride a city bike? See? This is why I don't do this. It's so fun. I'm gonna go this way. It's a one way. Gotta be careful because I'm trying to go. I'm gonna go over there after I finish this. Got the ice cream truck out. Got a tour bus thing. The park is over there too, so it's getting a little chilly outside. Gotta be slow because y'all see me? I'm out here. What you damn birds though? Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Why y'all moving? Look at the birds up. They scared the hell out of me. Ugh. Oh damn, look at the birds. I have to stop because they was like all in my way. Look at them. Oh, I'm gonna be over there. The bike lane. I'm on the wrong lane. I wanna go over there. Alright, I'm on the right side now, so I'm in the bike lane. I ain't gotta worry about people or I ain't gotta worry about cars or anything. Take my time. Slowly. Everybody are passing me in the young one. In a rush. Because it's been a minute. The people don't want their show off on me, yo. I can't go on. So, this is a bike lane. I'm in. It's a bike lane. Over there, I was over there on the sidewalk. Why does he keep chiming? What I mean? I don't know what I mean. They said it, but I don't remember. But look at this view. Whew, it's a water view for me. That view, people. This is nice. This is so nice. I'm gonna ride down there and come back and put back the bike because it's chiming. I don't know why it's chiming. Yo, I'm out here riding a city bike for the first time and I'm like, I like it, but gosh. Yo, it's been a while since I ride a bike, man. I just I've been nervous. Nah, I'm nervous. I am nervous, but I'm doing the shit. Whew, it feels so good. I need to come out in the city and do this more. I'm at Pier 57. Phone down. Yeah. I'm going back. We'll put the bag back. Woo. This is fun though. I needed this. Man, that looks so cool. Alright, let me go. So I just put my bike back. It came up to $5. It was how much miles it says? I don't remember. Listen, but that was so much fun. I'm glad I finally did that. I was supposed to do it from last year. Hungry. Let me get some ice cream. It's gonna look snippy out here. Listen, the sun might be out in Brooklyn, but once you come to the sea, you're gonna need a jacket, okay? And we are by the water. The water is the Hudson River. I'm by the Hudson River, so it's over there. Oh, but that's so. This is exactly where me and my mom and my sister, we walked from the Mother's Day dinner thing all the way up here, and we walked to the L train. So yeah, and the edge is right there. I need to go to the edge. I ain't been to the edge yet. The edge is right there. This right here. That's the edge. Ooh, there you go. Told him that thing don't work. He's still forcing the damn bike in there. So I'm going to listen. Cause I was doing the same thing, and the other guy told me that it's not working. So I'm like, okay, I have to look for another spot, even though most of them is full up. I didn't even tell myself. I don't remember how long I was riding for, but it just came out to $5. It's not bad. And I could go downtown Brooklyn to do it, because they have bags downtown Brooklyn too. So I don't have to come all the way to the city to do that. They got an all-out truck right here. I don't want no all-out food. Oh, I never had a corn dog before. I should try that. That's right here I'm talking about. So, everybody out here riding the city bike. It's busy in the city, as always. But some of these stuff don't work. So when you try to put the bike back, it's not locking. They need to come fix this. About to look on a different location, but it needs to be fixed. You gotta literally jam it in, like force it in. And you gotta wait for the green light to come on, and then you leave. And then they send a message to your phone. They send you the bill. Yeah, that's how it goes. So, hi. How much ice cream? How much is the rainbow one?
The big one or the little one?
What's the price? The two prices.
This one is 7. This one is 5.
Oh, okay. 5. And it must have a difference, to be honest. Let me see let me see what other flavors you have. Ooh, double peanuts. Ooh, that look good. Okay, let me get the big one, the $7.
The big one, 7?
The peanuts, yes.
Vanilla ice cream?
Yes, please. I'm getting this one, guys. It's so good. That look good. Ooh. Thank you. You too. Ice cream. Thank you. I don't even buy ice cream in Brooklyn. I'm out here in the city buying ice cream. Oh my god. I'm so glad you just went over the rainbow. Nice. You don't need it. This was gonna be here last year. Oh, the water dirty. Dirty ass water. Where we going? Over there. That's lit. Oh, can we jump? I can't move it really because it's in my. Oh, I'm not gonna drop my ice cream. We're gonna be going. You are trying to knock my action out my hand. Ooh. If anything, the city is always closed and broken. I swear. That looks so fun. I'm scared to do that. Hey, yo. There's a charging port out here. I'll look for the link NYC stuff. I don't see nothing. You're the floor. Your Jenga messed up. Who's not there? We're about to try this. I hope I don't bust my ass. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Is it? Woo. Wait. Oh, this thing's wobbly. I don't know how to do it. I'm not trying to fall. Because I got ice cream in my hand. What the hell? Why is it? I don't like that. Alright, let's try this. Up in here right now, I will lose my mind. I will lose my mind. Okay? I'm like, yeah, I don't see how I'm gonna do something. Today was a good day. I needed it. I'm glad I came outside. I'm so glad I came outside.
This is a pretty big jump. Yeah. My partner, he's very short. Whoa. My force back. So I'm gonna need all my volunteers to squeeze together. Turn up. Sweetheart, it's okay.
Whoa, Brim, how do you know?
The way the other guy was looking at me, I didn't like it. Stop. It's from the same place. Now, New York City, if you enjoyed the first part of our show, clap your hands and make some noise. You enjoy my show?
I can't clap out the phone in my hand. White pretzel, support the business. White pretzel. Damn, this still is packed. You see how she picked that shit up?